And the former Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh, he is no more. The former Prime Minister, he passed away at the age of 92. The government sources are saying that all government programs scheduled tomorrow are set to be cancelled. It will be national mourning of 7 days will be declared. The cabinet is set to meet tomorrow at 11 a.m. Dr. Manmohan Singh's last rites are also set to be conducted with full state honours. And my colleague Sunil Prabhu joins us to get us more on this. Sunil, what we are learning at the moment is that all the government programs that were scheduled tomorrow are going to be cancelled, and that a national mourning period of 7 days will be declared tomorrow at 11 p.m. in that cabinet meeting.
That's right. As you rightly pointed out, the country has and the cabinet will be condoling Dr. Manmohan Singh's passing away at 11 a.m. tomorrow. 7 days mourning has been declared. All government programs have been cancelled for tomorrow. State funeral to be accorded to the former Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, who passed away at the age of 92. As we've been speaking, he's a great Indian, the architect of India's economic reforms. It's been a long road for Dr. Manmohan Singh, a scholar turned educator, and then, as he said, an accidental politician to reach the highest office of this country as Prime Minister, a minority from the Sikh community who steered India from 2004 to 2014 during the coalition eras to ensure India's space in whatever it did, be it the US nuclear deal, be it the rights-based programs from right to information to right to guarantee, which has now been christened as the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Program, and a host of right to education, and that list carries on. It's been a difficult time for Dr. Manmohan Singh during his term as Prime Minister to spearhead and to manage coalition contradictions. But that being said, he was able to win the first after Prime Minister Nehru a second term in office in 2009 and continued till the Congress did dismally in 2014. And hasn't still ever recovered from that dismal performance. Dr. Manmohan Singh has had a big career. He has been not only RBI Governor, Secretary Economic Affairs, Secretary Atomic Energy, and a host of critical and very important positions across this country, including being the chairman of the UGC before he was brought in and handpicked by the late Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao as the finance minister, and has helped to spearhead the entire economic reforms program. So definitely, as we speak, the nation mourns leaders cutting across party lines. There has been a bipartisan outpouring of grief and mourning of Dr. Manmohan Singh, who many have considered a great Indian.
Right. Sunil Prabhu, thank you very much for getting us all the latest.